What's up, guys? Evergreen Fly Guy. I know I'm kind of close. I'm trying to do everything in 4K from now on because the quality is just so much better. And my camera does 4K cropping. I got it on like a little tripod. It's like arm's length away, which is like 3 foot, and it still just looks like I'm like right up next to you guys. But let me just show you what we're getting into here. So I got the new one for this month, for the month of September. Look at this. I have not touched this box at all, I promise you. This is how it came. Kind of messed up. Yeah, I'm hoping it wasn't like used or something. So this is the store-bought. It's not the subscription one. We had a little confusion a few months back when we did this. So the store-bought ones do change from month to month, just like the subscription ones do. But just be aware that this is a store-bought one. It will be slightly different than what your subscription box will be. So don't get angry if you don't get the same thing. I'm gonna open it up for you guys. Trying to do this with the tripod in hand. Together we're gonna see what this going on with this thing. I didn't get a discount or anything with this. I was just like, whatever. I was like, as long as it's not tampered with, like somebody took stuff out, I think it'll be fine. This is actually my first Pro box. I've been trying to get every single one of the Catchco boxes to try them out and see what you think. But before we get into just wanted to talk to you guys for a second and remind you to like, subscribe, share this, comment, interact with me. Tell me if you like it. Tell me if you don't like it. Tell me if it's bad. Tell me if it's good. Tell me if you'd like to see more. We keep gaining subscribers on here, which I'm so grateful for. Pretty close to 400, so that's exciting for me. I'm thinking about doing something special at 5, so just let me know what you guys think. Maybe thinking about doing a little merch giveaway for all the subscribers that have been there and been helpful, and everybody just giving me feedback and shout outs and stuff. Just something like that. But don't forget to like and subscribe, comment, all that. We'll get right back to it. Alright, well, we don't need the baby shoe. So let's see what's in this thing. Huh, alright. Okay, I see some cool stuff off the top. So, start with number 1. Let's see what this is. Mimic Minnow Limber Leech. What? This is kind of cool. So, if you can see, it's almost like a Ned Rig head, but it's kind of themed up like the body of this. It's definitely supposed to be like a Ned Rig interpretation. See what it says. I don't know if I can get it to focus or not with the lighting. Mimic Minnow, designed by the Team Northland Pro Staff. Mimic, one of the fish's favorite meals, the juicy leech, featuring a lifelike head and soft, chewy segment body that swims like a leech, like a live leech. Perfect for any fish that swims in fresh water. That is cool. Actually, you could use this for a lot of different stuff. This is not just a bass lure. This would be a great smallmouth lure too. That's pretty cool. This one's a basic one. Here we go. It's got some size 4/4/0 ultra lock plastic hooks, EWGs, whatever you want to call them. Just 2-piece. Mustad. Mustad's a great brand. Really can't go wrong with Mustad. Oh, this looks interesting. What is this? Bib? Made in some JDM stuff. Made in Japan. Sorry guys, I don't mean to keep not showing you what's going on. Let's see, it says high aperture vibration and rolling action. Got so there's a weight in the head, and it kind of gives it an action. It's kind of unique. I don't really know what to think about that. Lucky John Pro Series is what it says up top. Gosh, I cannot get it to do the stuff in 4K. Maybe it's the lighting, but yeah, that's what that looks like. So you can see a little bit better. There it goes. Yeah, alright. So we'll probably just keep you guys right in here so you can see stuff better. This looks cool. What is this? So this is a Yozura. I never know how to pronounce that. This is a jerkbait. It's kind of a bigger one. Crystal minnow. I've actually have a smaller version of this exactly, but I think mine was a sinking. This one's a floating. See, it says it's, yeah, okay. And then it just gives a little description on the back, but it's basically just a jerkbait, a big jerkbait. Still pretty cool. Good brand. I like that color too. Tips pages that we don't need to look at. Okay, here we go. We'll do some soft plastic. So these are some black and blue craws. Actually, I've got these before, funny enough. And they're just good quality. I think if I didn't have it in this color, it was probably the green pumpkin color. And they're just good, sturdy trailers. You really can't go a bit wrong with these bruiser baits. And the name of it is Crazy Craws, and this is the Deep Oak, like Okeechobee. Oh, that's nice. They give you a little 15% off code. If somebody wants to use that, feel free to. I probably will not. Yeah, and just black and blue plate craws. Pretty cool. Oh, here we go. Actually, this is the exact color I had too for this knuckle bait. I don't think they have too many color variations. They seem to be putting a lot of these in the boxes. I had a sub say that it was just because they had like so many and they couldn't get rid of these that they're just putting them in all the boxes. Which could be the truth, I don't know. I've heard mixed things about this. I heard this is like a stupid bait that you don't catch anything. And I've heard it's an awesome bait and you should try it out. And I still haven't tried it out, but it'd be something if I wean myself back into bass fishing. I've just been in and out of it, especially with the salmon fishing going on. But it just says it's a 3D prism ball. It works for flashing or sound. Most of the stuff, it looks like it's in Japanese, so I really can't read it to tell you. It just says UV color. It's like a... Actually, I think my other one was like a kind of an orange. This is like a orangish gold. Mine was like a deep orange brown. Let's see what else we got in here. Oh, a sticker. I actually have this one. I still like the stickers nonetheless. They're pretty cool. Oh, okay. So this is probably what you guys saw at the beginning because it's nice and flashy and colorful. This is a Nomaze gill. I'm not exactly sure if that's how you pronounce that. Duo International. Another JDM bait, which JDM baits have been the key lately. Been good stuff coming out. Looks like most of it's in Japanese, so I cannot tell you what it says or read the description, but we can look at it together and figure it out. Okay, so this reminds me of kind of like well, I know it's not a new bait, but like what Berkeley's doing with the gilly kind of. No, let's just take it out and look at it like that. Okay. So yeah, you have this hook that hooks up to the bottom here. Right there. Huh. Yeah, there's a clip in here and it just slides on. And it's just a little... This would be really cool for like an ultralight setup, I feel like. That is... Look at that color. That's so cool in this little paddle tail. And it's incredibly small. Like, this is probably 2 inches, if that. Let's see. Yeah, that's about 2 inches. I'd say it's about 2 inches, maybe 2.5 max. I don't know, and it's got some real lifelike features to it. It's got real cool eyes, if you can see that. That's a pretty cool one. Well, you know what? The Pro Box is kind of nice. I like that Pro Box. That's my first Pro Box I've ever done or tried out. Maybe I'll get an Elite later on in the month and do that one for you too. I don't like buying a lot of bass boxes because I don't do a lot of bass fishing, but a lot of people like to see me do it. I'd like to get more into bass fishing. Just Pacific Northwest bass fishing is kind of hard. There's not too many options out there for it, unfortunately. I mean, there is, but I don't have a boat and I don't have a kayak anymore, so it's kind of hard for me to chase it. I've been enjoying the salmon stuff, and that's been what I'm on lately. But hopefully we're going to get some more content out there, salmon related for you guys, as well as the winter comes up, we're going to do some steelhead stuff. And I'm sure there'll be a myriad of other stuff I throw in there for you guys, because there's a lot of different fishing you can do around here. So, but hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, comment. Like I said, trying to get up the subscribers more. About to hit 400. I'd like to get 500 within the next couple months too, and just keep moving up. I feel like we're at a steady pace here, at least for the time. But go out there and catch some fish, guys.